check my YouTube channel out.
My name is David, and you should check my YouTube channel, which is called Yu-Gi-Oh! And More. This is going to the blob.
Okay, on my channel, I try to entertain you guys, and hopefully David's trying to do the same thing too. And today we're doing like a little training thing for this humongous
Nerf gun battle.
Yeah. So right now we're just this video is just for training. Since right now it's just me and David.
It's not a very good battle.
Yeah. So on like maybe like November or something, like maybe like November or something, we can actually have our Nerf gun battle outside.
Yeah.
And then not till October or like November, we will explain how things go in a humongous Nerf battle with 2 more other people.
And they don't have YouTube channels that I know of.
Well, yeah, but they probably will in the future. I don't know. But this battle is
It's gonna be epic.
Yeah. Well, maybe, I don't know.
Like last time we tried to film this video, I shot him in the garage.
Oh yeah. Like that's last one.
And
well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Are you ready? 30. Fine, less than 30 seconds. It's been 2 minutes already. Once it hits 2 minutes, the battle starts. Begin. Do not even crash this time. Oh, I could have hit you. It just was too low.
I don't think you were able to hit me. You were able to hit me.
You have a cheek, so in real life, you won't die if someone shoots you in the
wouldn't
trick.
die. You're not injured.
Darn, I could have hit. That shot was like so good.
Whoa.
That's close.
You might want to be careful, Dad.
Hello.
We're kind of getting in our YouTube channel.
How can you ride that? Oh, sorry.
It's fine. I'm not ready. That like hurts and that kind of y'all. Ooh, free ammos. Free ammos. My fort is really comfortable. It's so fun. Escape plan. Where did that go? Oh, one of them. Where did the other one go? So I guess 3 would go. Oh, whoa. I just missed like a humongous chance. What? Oh. I am running low on ammo. So
Yes,
this.
you are. I want to shoot because you get ammo. Free ammo. Anyway, this is my dog. We're gonna pause that. That's my dog right there. Say hi, Susie. Yeah.
Sorry, this video is boring, but we'll try to do it best.
It's my dog. Yeah, you saw my dog.
Oh.
That would have been a really nice shot.
Okay. As you can see, I have 3 bullets left.
Oh, I missed.
Like, hurts y'all.
Cindy, you're ruining the video.
Really, it is? No, she's not. I can't see her. Not yet.
Wait.
I can shoot anytime. Oh, hi. Oh, there you are. Standing like a statue.
The electric dash.
What's the just standing like a statue.
Irene.
So close. Now, where did that ammo go? Where did that ammo go? Oh, I wonder where's David. He's totally not behind the kitchen table. But darn it. Now it's just need fun. Any fun ammo? Now you cannot shoot me because you need to stay at your own base.
Irene?
Well, you don't need to. You could.
What time's good, Irene?
You can come to my base, but I would not do without you.
And then if we go to...
You have no idea what I'm capable of.
Alston off at the same time, you think?
We'll have two. Hold on. That basically just wounded me. It's not killing me. Hold up. Darn it. Got a clean shot. I'm retreating to my base. Did it hit you? No. Why not? Chicken? Chicken for the wing?
Well, not.
What? Oh, you win. You said. Actually, you stabbed a jaw, so I'm just wondering. Again. Okay, 100 times. Okay, David, pause. If this was in real life, I could have me and you could have had multiple surgeries.
Yeah.
Because you go wounded like a billion times. Oh! Wound? Oh no. Whew. Cindy, where are you? Want to be a distraction? Pause. What's Cindy doing? Things like looking at leftovers. I'm going to resume now. What happened? Did it hit you?
What?
Did it hit you?
No.
Did it wound you?
No, it didn't hit me.
No, it didn't. For time, it's 10 minutes so far. We're gonna make the best of things. Who's in here? Ooh. Where is he? David, there's people right here. Just so close. How'd you? There's one of my bullets. Oh, you win. Where did I hit you? On the heart. Oh. Oh, there. Well, there you guys go. We just had and starting
A nerf war?
Yep. I can't wait for a few months where we actually do the humongous hangout.
Cindy, say hi. What's that? What's that?
I can't wait for the humongous hangout they're gonna have in a few weeks about the epic, the most epic nerf battle in like the history of battles outside. Yeah, hopefully we can do it outside. Yeah, so yeah. I hope you guys are looking forward to this to this epic battle. Wait, David, are we making a movie?
Oh, movie battle thing.
No. Oh yeah, yeah, it's the one
With Peter and yeah.
Oh, yeah, Peter.
He's a secret agent and we're bad guys trying
Oh,
to take
yep.
America and then the world.
Mhm.
Yeah, and please
We will-
rate, comment, and subscribe.
And stay tuned for me and David's movie.